Hello, welcome. I'm Stephen Watson here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. Once again, I'm at Anytime Fitness in North Madison, Connecticut, working with some Physioball stuff. So this one is just to practice wave hands like clouds with the Physioball, small or medium perhaps, on the wall. And the idea is to use your breath, your trunk, to roll the palm. So I'm kind of rolling to one side. You may want to start closer to your elbow, so you end up closer to your hand. And then as the ball comes down, the other side is coming up, so that I'm passing it from one to the other, coordinating my breath, my dantian, my hips, my trunk. This is a little slippery, so I'm kind of having this sort of slide down. Usually they're going to be a little bit more sticky, but I can address that by keeping a bit more pressure in the palm. And I can, as you see me doing here, work rising or falling, and so come down to my stance. So enjoy that and take down the walls between you and people that do other martial arts. Love.
This QR code takes you to our link tree, which has all of our links, among them financial support links, which is certainly going to be very helpful. We appreciate your commenting, subscribing, linking, and going to Patreon.